Conveyor systems are widely used in industries, as well as in warehousing management and materials management. From safety sensors through object detection technology, up to sensors used for measuring object distances or volumes, high cycle times and seamless processes require all kinds of sensors. As different as the measuring devices used for these purposes are, they have at least three things in common. They require a 12-volt to 24-volt power supply. They are only needed when the conveyor system is running, and they lack conventional on-off switches. If, for example, production stops once each day for a lunch break, the sensors are still supplied with power. This fact results in an opportunity to save energy. When the coupled WAGO controller detects that the conveyor is going into a manual stop, the Pro 2 power supply is put into standby mode through a digital input signal at the input. The controller doesn't need to be wired to every power supply to do this because the cascading signal is passed from each Pro 2 to the next. The numbers speak for themselves. If 100 devices each draw an average current of 100 milliampere and are powered with 24 volt, 1 hour of operation requires 240 watt-hours of energy. At 260 working days, this adds up to 62.4 kilowatt-hours. If, instead of 100 milliampere, 800 milliampere are applied, the energy used per year lies just under 500 kilowatt-hours. Even a large number of seemingly small steps can save a large amount of energy overall, and thus significantly reduce carbon emissions. This protects the environment and also saves money. Sometimes, all it takes is one good idea and the right technology. The WAGO Pro 2 power supply.